you want to experience the outdoors but don't want to do a lot of preparation, or experience seeing silk clouds without being at the summit, there's a place in the mountains where you can relax and enjoy. Please come for visitors who will do hiking, swimming, bird watching, and photography. A place where family and friends can gather and be with nature. A place that you can call home. And that place is Kuta Bungliw. Kuta Bungliw is situated in General Nakar, Quezon. It can be accessed via Barangay Daraitan in Rizal, developed to cater to hikers and outdoor enthusiasts as a place of refuge. It is not a five-star accommodation, but a right one for nature lovers and those who want to experience the simplest and wonderful things in life, the God's creation. Our group reserved a sleeping hut which can accommodate a large group of people. I would say that the hut was huge for the three of us. Bed mats and a hammock are available for everyone to use, so lying on the floor was not a problem. You may also opt to set up your own tent at one of Kuta Bungliw's 6 pocket campsites. Kuta Bungliw has convenient facilities like solar-powered lights and outlets, toilets, and bathrooms. But don't forget to bring your own power bank since the source of energy was only limited. There's also a glowing mini pool if you want to take a dip, and this one was one of my favorites. For those who seek more adventure, Kuta Bungliw also serves as a base camp for other activities like hiking, river trekking, swimming, caving, bird watching, and photography. There's a lot to capture in Kuta Bungliw, but instead, I got mesmerized by the place and just enjoyed our stay. Good thing we stayed at Kuta Bungliw. I somehow rested my knee for our climb on the next day. Overall, the experience was sure one for the books. I will surely go back to this place.